We started with Park the relationship 18 years ago when we first started the business. If you have a dictionary and look at the word partnership, you'll see Park Industries. You can have the machine, but if you don't get the support, how good is the machine? Park, gives it all. The Sabre Jet saved my life, saved my reputation. We got the machine during COVID, where my other machine from a different supplier outside the country went down and I could not get parts. I was lucky. The Sabre Jet was being installed as the other machine went down. It saved me and it made me look good. It helped us out a lot with miring. We used to run away from it because it slowed us down. Now, miter work, bring it on. There's no more material that we are scared of. We're very comfortable cutting all these harder material. Porcelain slabs, Dactin, quartzite, bring it on. Titan, it helps us out a lot. This is awesome, you have no idea. It is really user-friendly. Whatever edge, you put it on the machine, it's ready to go for installation. There's no more getting behind. Before we made the investment in the fastback, you can see your guy, you're running behind and you see a guy spending time on backsplashing. And now, the backsplash runs through the machine going for installation. It's like a walk in the park using the fastback. Park machinery really changed our culture. We're able to do a lot more work using our machinery than trying to find the right labor to produce the work. Now we can hire people unexperienced because the machine does 95% of the work.